Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to see how to produce the potassium to urea ratio map in the ArcGIS. We have seen how it is done in OS Montage. We can now use it and now design it more better in ArcGIS. And also, we see how we can also use that of the ternary, also create similar maps. So all we need to do is to open our ArcGIS. Once we open our ArcGIS, we need to open those maps we save. Go to where we have RC1, we go to our radiometrics, our maps. These are our maps that will take the potassium to urea ratio. Then wait for it to open. While it's open, we can remember in OS Montage, we set a grid interval. For the map, we see 0.5 degree. If you convert it to minutes, 60 times 0.05 is 3 minutes. So that's what we are going to be using here. There we need to remove this one. We'll click on this. Then we'll click on this to get away with it. Then we'll right click, properties. Then we'll go under grids, set new grid, click next till finish, then click on properties. Then degree, minute, that you set this one to 3 minutes. This one is 00. That's how we get this 3 minutes from here. If you check your maps in OS Montage, the interval is this. Then under lines, you say do not show lines, label, 12, write this, and then this, then apply, then again this. You hold down your shift key, then you move them. Because if you check what we want to get, something like this, then we can move this one a little bit. Hold this one, delete, click, press delete. Take this one, drag to move it down. Hold the shift key, position it. Then click the outside and click delete. Then remove this one. I think the name we need to give it is KT ratio map. So come to insert text. We just write text, click outside, double click on that text. Potassium to urea ratio map. Then click on change symbol, give it to 14 plus. Then this, apply, then OK. We can bring in our not arrow, this symbol. This is what I use. Yeah, I place it there, so you can place any position you want to plot it. Great, and then move this one shift. So we need to bring in the scale bar. Already save one, so we can use those. Bring your scale bar here. So this is one of them. I can take the one I have created, or if you like, you can choose anyone. Like this, you select this one, cut on properties, mile in kilometers, then km, then apply, then OK. If you like, you can save it. So once you save it, you have your name there, but my own, after you do this, they can save it and use it later. I don't need to come here again. All you need to do now is to click OK. So this is it. So now bring it down here. We have this. We can now move, click this, move this to the left, so that we have space. Move this legend, something like so. They'll click on save. Then all you need to do is to bring a neat line, because when this is exported, this line will not be there. We'll say insert neat line. That's it. Okay, you can see it here. Just move it outside, close a bit. Then this one, you can move it close a bit. Close a bit. So this will be the line we see outside. So like this is okay. Then click on save. Then we need to go to this, add data, to bring our towns, mining point, and the rest. We need to connect to the folder first. RC1, that's what we collected, that's okay. Now we have connected to our folder. The next is to go to our shape files. Let's first hold down the control key. Click control down. These three things, let's add. So they have been added. Store the area, double click on it, follow, then that, then drag it up. You can see it around, then double click on this so that we can change the name. Click on general, remove this IP in the loop space. Then this is town, you move the town up, double click on it. You can call it settlement. Then apply, then okay. This, you can click on this, give this triangle a bit, then click OK. And now I have to bring those names on it. Under the settlements, to click on them. Then under labels, this will give it 12. Okay, bold, that will say symbol. So I've already created a custom one, but let me follow the same way. Later you save it and use it later, because we have so many maps to use. This symbol, advanced text background, properties, set all this 1 to 1. You see the preview here. Next is to remove this border and this background color. Click on this, change this to white, set this to 0. You can see it's done. Then shade the shadow to this. On finish here, we say save as. This is the layout, we give it. Say RC text, our project. RC label text. So save it so that we can be using it next without have to go through all this process. Finish. Now you see it. So now just click OK. Then apply. Then okay, now you can see it. Then around. Then this mining point, we need to move it up here. Then double click to remove those underscore. Then now we have mining site. Sort of point, mining site. Apply, then this. So with the symbol need to change. How do we change the symbol? Okay. Click on this, we'll say edit symbol or style preference, because as you can see we don't have that mining symbol. There's a style preference. We'll scroll down to select mining. See this mining. There you see add start, set as the first list. We have set them. Then OK. And now if you scroll down under mining section. So this is the mining section. Just scroll, you see it. It's on the mining section. Then go for the seat here. Open mine pit. Change this one to 40. Of course, this is what we have. Then if you like, you can now save this and use it anywhere we want to use it. Just like the other ones, I'll click on save as, or we'll just save as so that I use it later. But let's say okay. You see them there here. The next thing is to bring our legend. They will say insert legend, mining site, settlement, stored area. This is what we see here. So what we do now is to click on next till finish. They'll move this one down here. This we have to move this one up a little bit, and this one will move it here a bit. this. You have to move this one a bit up. And this one will move with the legend down here. On the font size, we double click to change the font size. We select all. Under items, click on select all, then symbol is 9, we'll give it 10. Apply, then OK. Now you can see it. It's a legend. Which map we can position this at the center where we want it. So this is what we have. If you want to bring those anomalies back, you can still come back here. Then add data, but this time around, we can move this one up so that we have our legend up. Then click on this, move it left. So click on save, then we'll come back to this, add data, anomalies, potassium ratio. So you can see this is this, we click on this, Olo, they'll edit symbol outline, they'll scroll to look at the one we need. This is like look for dash. Okay, and okay. See it has been come out. Mineralize zones. Okay. But now we have to move it down here. So we give it the mineralized zones, and those are the one we bring in, as you can see. Can now move this back and raise it up a little bit so that because of the space, we can move this back a little bit. So I think this is what we have. Then click on save and file, export map. Then go back to what we have, RC1. Then we need to create images folder we didn't create it before. Images. Under this, give it this name, then set the resolution to 500 or 450 or anyone so that you have high resolution. Click on save, wait it to finish. Then we go back here, then images. Click, then we'll see it now clear. This is what we have, as you can see. So if we want to change the study area to give it a better look, let me go to the study area. What I will do, I will edit symbol outline. I will give it a very nice pattern of this size. Okay. Now you can see it run. This is the study area. Click save. So now export map. This will take us the same location. They will overwrite it. Yes. So now we check back. We have, as you can see it. Now we have a better representation of our study area, mineralized zones, mining site, settlement. So this is the potassium thorium ratio map. So these are the values we have. So if you like, you can name them A, B, C, D, and then write a description here. The map, I think this is, yeah, if you like, you can bend the corner and do anything you want to do it. So this is left for you to be able to see how to produce this map. Now let's do the other one. Now this is safe. Open. Now ternary map. Same to the ternary map. Same similar process. Allow it to load. Then we'll delete this key. Delete this one. Delete this one. Then let's first add the not arrow. So this one, I will not use this one, I'll use another one. This. I'll use it so that the legend will be here. Click on this, put this one out. Properties. New grid. Next. Finish properties. Change this to 12, 11, 12 lines. Do not show lines. Interval. Set it to 3, 3, 0, 0. Then apply. Then this. Okay. Just like what we did. They will move the. You hold down the shift key and move the. We use the arrow keys to move them around. Wait. Then click on the last one, then press delete. And this is what we have. Position it where we want to. Then let's bring that of the scale bar. I've already saved one, and I call it my scale bar. So my scale bar is this. Reduce the size. Then click insert text. Ternary map. Let's see what image we have. Ternary image of radiometric data. Ternary image. Ternary map of radiometric data. Ternary map of radiometric data. Then change font to 14 or 13. Anyone you can use. Apply. Then okay. Then move it down here a bit. Then bring our knit line. Insert knit line. Click OK. This is that. Then move this one. Cancel. Move this one. A bit. Then this one down. This is what we have. Hold shift key, bring it a little bit down. Move this one a little bit down. You can position it anywhere you want it. Here is save. Ternary map of radiometric data. Then let's bring our towns. Let's go one more time. Then hold control, click this 3, then click add. Store the area. Line, then edit symbol. Outline this, then okay, then we have this ready around. Click on this. There we now name it. Store the area. Remove under general. We have this. Then we'll move this one up. They'll click on towns. We'll name it settlement. Under labels, this 12, this symbol. Oh, I'm sorry, this is supposed to be 12 symbol, because now we have saved it. That is, so we select this one we did. Layout is this. Now click apply, then okay. Then we bring in the mining point. Our mining point is up. Settlement face up. Mining site. We click on this. Put the mining site. Mining site is this. Apply this. Then click on this symbol. Go down to mining. Pump it. Then change this one to 40. Then bring in the anomalies. For a ternary is this. Click on this holo, edit symbol, outline. Click on this. Okay. Then, but we need to bring this one up. Double click so that we change the name as mineralize. Here we use a mineralize. Let's see what name do we use for the other one. Mineralized zones. Click apply and OK. And now we are now free to bring in the legend. Okay, then click next. Then bring it, Ctrl Z. Click on this, then drag. Click on this, click on the item, select all, then give it 10 for the font size. Okay. Cancel. Apply, then OK. So I can move this one up. Push it this way, then we'll click this position this way. So everything is set. We now see this, click, move shift key a little bit, then down. So we have set with this settlement mining site. This settlement, we'll click on this. That's what we have. Click on this, bring the shift down, press the shift, and then use the left mouse button down. This is what we have. Save. Then I say file, export map. And that is ternary map. So this we have the second one, ternary map. So this is how it's been produced, and the other one is how we get those maps produced. Yeah. So those are the mining points. You can see them. Mining site. The other one, we see them here also. Come closer to those anomalies. And then the ternary, we also see them coming close, which is very good. So this is how we produce the map and edit it and export it as JPEG in ArcGIS.